Hey guys, Silva here. What's going on? Guys, just coming on quickly to give you a heads up what's happening to do with this amazing epic launch. The product is called CopyCatalyst CPS. CPS system, which CPS stands for copy, paste, share. Now this is a product by Mark Bishop and John Merrick, and all of the training course was put together by Mark Bishop. Now it is almost coming to an end. It was launched on the 31st of January, and on the 7th of February, 11 a.m. New York time is the last day of the launch. And well, I thought I would give you a heads up because it's, you know, sort of the last chance to pick it up at the lowest price possible. After the launch, I got a confirmation from the vendor that the price of the product will be going up. So as you can see, I just got an update on the leaderboard as well, and how everything is going on with all of the good stuff, but all of the good stuff didn't make much sense, but yeah. He said here, like, the last 23 hours of the launch, CopyCatalyst will remain in the marketplace, evergreen, obviously, because it is an evergreen method they teach you here. Amazing product. I was so blown away by the simplicity of the method, and it's very newbie friendly too. You just have to, guys, stick to it, okay? Do it, go through the training and implement it. You know, there's no miracles. It's just doing the method which has been proven to work, and the vendors prove, you know, inside of the training that it has worked for them. It has generated income not just for them, but for whoever put this method into action, right? And yeah, so also they say that after 11 a.m. New York time, tomorrow on the 7th of February, the price will be jumping, will rise. So yeah, if you haven't watched my full, extensive, in-depth review on it yet, I would strongly encourage you to do so. I really go in detail, and you know, after having watched the training course in full, I give you a lot of insights. I explain how they make money with this method and how you would make money with this method as well. But in short, creating a PDF, guys, from freely available resources like sales page, JVDoc, okay, that you will find on affiliate marketplaces like Warrior Plus, ClickBank, Munchai, if you want, okay, and then turning that information into a super cool PDF, which then which would then be inserted with your affiliate links to specific affiliate offers which you wish to promote. And, you know, inside of that PDF that you would give away for free using micro videos, faceless micro videos. You don't even have to use your voice if you don't want to. You would, this way, you know, promote those affiliate offers, and, you know, the PDF would be given away for free. So people, by scrolling through this PDF, reading about the product, the PDF looking, you know, stunning as they teach you here in this training course, you know, the chances are pretty high that, you know, somebody will buy, okay? And if you stick to it for extended period of time, then of course it will work. Of course it will work. It's a fantastic method. They use free tools as well. Everything is free, okay, with this method. I mean, you would use Google Docs, you would use PDF. I mean, from Google Docs you would turn the document into a PDF, and then you would host it on Google Drive. Everything is free, okay? So amazing feedback I have received also. You know, as you can see, I am on the leaderboard. It has sold really well for me, guys. I have received very happy feedback, and you know, a lot of people bought just the front end initially, but after having gone through through the actual training, they decided to upgrade, and you have pretty cool upgrades here as well. So this is the sales page. Go check it out, guys. As I said, you know, the time to really grab it now. If you have been thinking about it and been on the verge, should I not, okay? Well, the price will go up. and I'm here to reassure you that this is a fantastic product. So the vendors are super cool. This is Mark Bishop actually, and this is how he talks to you. The way he presents, this whole training course, the way he delivers is very humble, very genuine, very down to earth, very understanding towards newbies, okay, who may be stressed about making videos, thinking that they'll have to put the face on the camera, this and that is not the case, especially with this method, okay? So do consider getting it. You will find a link below my review, and then also have some cool bonuses if you grab it via my link. And watch my full review if you haven't done so yet. You will be fully educated on what this product is all about after having watched my review. Okay guys, I'm going now. Love you and leave you, and I shall see you very soon. Bye bye.